Jamaica's 60th year of independence, the creation of an enduring legacy in science, energy, and technology is paramount for the advancement of the nation.
The Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology has begun the implementation of activities to build out an ecosystem-associated science, technology and innovation policy. Meanwhile, the multipurpose gamma irradiation facility will be completed this fiscal year. This is to assist in national development, particularly in agriculture, medicine, industry, research and education.
In the short term, this facility will be integral in two major international atomic energy agency technical cooperation projects, which are of vital concern to the country.
The two areas are agriculture crop improvement through experimental technologies and the integrated vector control management approach to control the Aedes aegypti mosquito population. To enable a better understanding of science, several programs are being implemented to engage students and other young persons and to promote viable career options within this field. Government will be spending $30 million over the next 2 years implementing its Energy Management and Efficiency Program, EMEP. The program aims to lower energy consumption in public sector facilities.
The component includes the retrofitting of 80 government facilities with renewable energy and energy-efficient interventions.
Meanwhile, a consultant is being engaged to review and update the 2009 to 2030 National Energy Policy. Minister Vaz says the new legislative framework will diversify the energy mix, providing increased renewable energy for electricity, lessening the dependence on fossil fuels and reducing carbon emissions.
These interventions include solar photovoltaic technology, LED lighting upgrade, and energy-efficient air conditioning technology. The structural and electrical integrity assessment of 12 hospitals, 10 schools, and other public office buildings have been completed to support this effort.
The minister adds that the second Integrated Resource Plan, IRP2, which is designed to achieve a modern electricity grid and a low-cost electricity solution, will also be subject to urgent review. Work is also being advanced for the tabling of 3 pieces of legislation: the Petroleum Downstream Activities Bill, the Electricity Amendment Indemnification and Validation Bill, and the Electricity Amendment Bill. Other renewable initiatives include the pumped hydro storage project and the electrification of public sector fleets. The ministry hopes by the second quarter of the fiscal year to start issuing requests for proposals (RFP) for the procurement of new electricity generation capacity. This will be done under the Generation Procurement Entity (GPE). Steps are being taken to improve the island's data privacy and protection framework as well as its technology infrastructure. Among initiatives is the completion of the data protection regulations, which is targeted for September.
The preliminary drafting instructions have since been received from the consultant, are now being reviewed by the Ministry and the Information Commissioner.
Recommendations submitted for amendments to the Cybercrimes Act are being reviewed and will be presented to Parliament in short order. And the full rollout of the eGov core networking equipment infrastructure is expected in August of this year to boost government's communications network, GovNet.
This will be done through the build-out of the fiber network in the KMA, the build-out of the network core by receiving, installing and configuring the networking equipment, the laying of the fiber cables across the KMA, and the connecting of 50 entities onto this network.
Continuing its high bandwidth connectivity in the education sector, 341 schools are to be connected within the fiscal year under the National Broadband Initiative. Steps are also being taken to speed up the development of a national broadband strategy and start the procurement process for the network by March 2023. As for providing access to internet services, the ministry will complete the remaining 88 community Wi-Fi sites by May 31 this year and establish 6 new public Wi-Fi hotspots by March 2023. The ministry will also continue the procurement and distribution of technological devices under the Tablets in Schools rollout project. Science, energy, and technology being positioned as solutions to challenges and transformation to a digital society.